Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting a reputable VPN provider, then download its official app. Do this now. Once installed, open the app and grant the requested permissions. This lets the VPN create a secure tunnel. Make sure to remember your username and password or have your subscription ready. After that, go to Settings More VPN to confirm permission is enabled, or simply use the app's Connect button to begin the first encrypted session. Once the app is ready, decide whether to let the app auto-configure or set up a manual profile. If using manual, pick the protocol, OpenVPN for flexibility, IKEv2 for speed, L2TP/IP sec for legacy support, then enter the server address, credentials, and any pre-shared key or certificate. After importing an OVPN file or saving the profile, tap Connect. Make sure the app is allowed to run in background and enable auto-reconnect, so the VPN resumes after network changes. Finally, verify the connection. Open the VPN app and confirm the displayed IP and server region, or use an IP lookup to ensure traffic is routed through the VPN. Once connected, enable kill switch and DNS leak protection in the app to prevent leaks. If things go wrong, try a simple fix first. Toggle airplane mode or Wi-Fi, clear the app cache, and restart the phone. If that fails, reinstall the app and re-enter your credentials. That usually resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.